Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Speed 20 Action Cam. This is the Hi-Eye Cam camera system, which are possible to get 4K 60 frames videos out of it. That is possible to use this as an underwater camera. It's a waterproof camera. Wow, up to 131 feet by using the case, with stabilization and wireless remote, 5 times zooms and 170 degrees wide angle. You can buy this with an SD card or without a memory card, because you can also use your existing memory cards, micro SD. This action camera 4K comes with a dual screen. The Speed 20 underwater camera records high-resolution 4K 60 frames videos and 20 megapixel HD photos. It is equipped with a 2-inch touch-sensitive HD rear screen and a 1.4-inch non-touch front screen. You can change or you can switch between these two screens by pushing the M button. Hold it a little bit, and then we can choose between the front or the back screen. Easy peasy. Vacillating easy, selfies for example. With a 170 fisheye lens, it captures the wide-angle shot that encompasses the entire scene. And we have EIS anti-shake. ICE 6 J-Pro sensor technology guarantees a stable and seamless footage while using the sports camera, capturing the key moments with sharp clarity. We have here a waterproof camera for underwater up to 131 feet with the waterproof housing. Of course, note that the ICE is not functioning at 5K, because you can choose 5K. And we have a wireless remote included. This action camera, features a convenient portable remote control for effortless switching between video and photos modes with a single click. We should take note that the wireless remote for the 4K action camera is not waterproof, of course, but you can also pair it by using an app. Download the app, and after this, you can, as you can see in that video here, you can pair it easy peasy in the pairing mode. And if those, then you will get an Atok network, or the camera will get an Atok network, and you can connect to this Atok network, and then you can make a remote control with your smartphone. Oh, that's cool, eh? And of course, you can now control the camera. You can take pictures, you can take video recording, and you can make settings as you like, or as on the small screen of the action cam. And that means we have app connectivity and sharing. Utilize the action camera app by downloading it and in connection with your built-in Wi-Fi to begin. We easily download videos and photos from the 4K underwater camera and share stunning scenes and memorable moments whenever we like that. And of course, extended battery life, because this Speed 20 action camera 4K Plus includes 2 times 1,350 mAh batteries. This providing a total recording time of up to 4.5 hours. That's, I think, is a long time to shoot videos. This is ideal for extended outdoor use. It also comes with a remote control, a waterproof case, and multiple accessories, ensuring its versatility across various scenarios. We have no memory card included, or we can buy this separately or in a box, in a set box, of course. And then we can go with it. We have 4K 60 frames. Of course, you can go to 1080p 60 frames too, as you like. We have 2-inch touchscreen. You have a 6-axis stabilization, and it's waterproof up to 133 feet. We have 5 times digital zoom. We have a smart app. We have a good battery, which is possible to replace. We have a slow mode. That means here it is an slow down time mode or a time lapse mode. That's it. That's for faster. And we have a burst photo mode, a 170 degrees wide angle. And of course, we have a lot of more action with that if we like, because it's intuitive to use. We have only 3-button operation. We have the trigger button on the top side to switch it on by push it a little bit longer or off. And of course, then we have this trigger button to take a shot. Only push once, there is a shot, video or photo as you like. And then we have an amp for menu button. In this menu button, we can push, and if we hold it, we can switch the screen, or we can push it, and then, of course, we can choose between the different camera options, for example, and we have an arrow key on the bottom side, on the right bottom side, which we can navigate through the menus. That's easy and cool, because it comes with a good bunch of possibilities, and if you are a beginner, you have no action cam before, this is the right action cam for you. It's not for professionals, of course, really. This is a beginner's cam, which comes with an cheap stuff, of course. But it works. And if you begin with this camera, this can be your friend. And of course, with that underwater function, that's really cool. And the two-screen function is really cool too, because you can control it to make good selfies. That means if you like to take a selfie, you push the memory button for 1.5 seconds or something else, and you change the screen, and you can see yourself. Really cool feature. And of course, you can replace easy peasy the SD card. You can replace the battery, so you can extend the battery life and so on. And that makes the Speed20 action camera for beginners a really good camera system for your beginning steps. The beginning steps with that are good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!